Welcome to the course on real estate regulations in Singapore. This session provides an overview of the sale, leasing, and subletting of Housing and Development Board flats and private properties. Understanding these legal frameworks is crucial for real estate professionals to navigate the market effectively. HDB e-services streamline resale flat transactions, allowing Central Provident Fund usage for purchases and Home Protection Scheme applications. Real estate professionals must ensure clients understand eligibility criteria and financial planning. Efficient use of these digital tools is crucial for successful transactions, ensuring compliance with regulations and optimizing client satisfaction. Section 51 of the H&D Act prohibits using HDB flats as collateral, safeguarding them from creditors unless pledged to approved institutions. This ensures financial security for flat owners, preventing undue financial risk. Understanding these regulations is crucial for real estate professionals to guide clients effectively in property transactions. The prime location public housing (PLH) model targets central areas, offering additional subsidies and eligibility conditions to maintain affordability and inclusivity. This initiative ensures that housing remains accessible in prime locations, balancing demand with social integration. The PLH model is crucial for sustaining diverse communities in Singapore's urban core, aligning with broader housing policies. The Lease Buyback scheme, LBS, allows elderly homeowners to monetize their housing equity while retaining ownership. Eligible seniors sell part of their flat's lease to the Housing and Development Board, using proceeds to top up Central Provident Fund retirement accounts. This provides a lifelong income stream through Central Provident Fund Life. Options for lease periods vary based on the youngest owner's age, ensuring flexibility and financial security. The Silver Housing Bonus, SHB, aids elderly Singaporeans in downsizing to smaller flats by offering a cash bonus for topping up their Central Provident Fund retirement account. Eligibility includes selling a current flat with an annual value not exceeding $21,000 and buying a 3-room or smaller flat. Successful applicants can receive up to $30,000 when they join Central Provident Fund Life. URA guidelines mandate a minimum tenancy duration and occupancy limits for leasing. Verify legal ownership and tenant immigration status. Stamp duty and property tax responsibilities are crucial. Ensure compliance to protect interests and avoid penalties. Understanding these guidelines is essential for effective property management and client advisement.
The letter of intent, LOI, is crucial in outlining rental terms before a tenancy agreement. It involves a good faith deposit, which converts to a security deposit upon agreement. Understanding the terms of the tenancy agreement is vital for both landlords and tenants to ensure clarity and compliance in the rental process.
Housing and Development Board subletting regulations require landlords to verify tenant eligibility and adhere to the maximum number of subtenants allowed. Landlords must apply for approval to sublet the entire flat or register for room subletting. Compliance with Housing and Development Board rules is crucial, including ensuring tenants' lawful stay and preventing further subletting. Landlords are responsible for maintaining these standards. In conclusion, staying updated with policy changes is crucial for real estate professionals. Apply this knowledge to ensure compliance and success in your practice. Thank you for your dedication to mastering Singapore's property regulations.